Scene start XT mysterious forest. Day hook, first 5 seconds. Dramatic music. A mysterious glowing tree appears in the dark forest. A young boy, Zion 10, cautiously approaches it. The tree's branches suddenly moves, Zion whispering. What is this tree? Deep echoing voice, Zion. I have been waiting for you. Main story, Zion. Who are you? Tree. I am the guardian of lost voices. I can hear what no one else can. The secret wishes of every heart, Zion. But why are you telling me this, Tree? Because you, Zion, are the only one who can help. Your grandmother's greatest wish is about to fade forever. Zion, shocked. Nani? What does she wish for? Tree. She wishes to hear her mother's voice one last time. The voice she lost 60 years ago. Zion, but how can I help? I'm just a kid. Tree, take this magical leaf. When you place it on any old photograph, it will bring that moment to life for 1 minute. Climax. Zion rushes home and finds an old black-white photo of his great-grandmother. He places the leaf on it. The photo glows and suddenly, sound of a woman singing a beautiful lullaby. Nani's eyes fill with tears as she hears her mother's voice after 60 years. They hug each other, overwhelmed with emotion. Tree, VO. Some wishes are too precious to be lost forever. End scene.